Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Charlie in Michigan on this Uniden Grant XL. Charlie, got it ready to go for you, bud. Brand new meter, brand new wide-angle LED in there as well. Tune alignment, clarifier mod. This switch right here was laying inside the radio, so we fixed that. Your high-low dim there. So let's get right to it. Now, Charlie, you requested a dead key of around 4 watts. So we got you right there around 4. Hello, audio. 50 watt slug and PEP. Hello. Sitting there around 24, 25 PEP. Alright, Charlie, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.